left-hand side with the magnificent lit-up glider. So fireworks will be on later on as well. Breitling. And Sharon there, look, goes out with them. That's Kate there, Sharon, she's a television producer. Brand new engines there, 170 watt. Take off, they pull together. Now watch the girls. Richard Rawle is here with the hat on, as well as all the hats on now. That's curious, isn't it? Right, Steve, the big tall guy in the pink look. Sharon's behind him with the lovely long hair, and on the right hand side is Richard Rawle, the designer of these lovely aircraft. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you. I had a hat. Smoke on now, look. Now these, watch the ladies, are they waving? Yes, they are. Fantastic. These people are not the you'll ever see them. You'll figure them out now. They've knocked the shows dead, as I said, and shows all over the United Kingdom. And Richard Rawle will be congratulated on his marvellous Breitling biplane. A wonderful flag. He's got a cracking flag. She controls both of those ladies, Sharon, on another radio control channel. Look, and they wave their legs, wave their arms about, they wave everything about. You can see it all moving. Big clever, you watch as they come down. Steve on the left then. Now going for a split now, like the full-size Stearmans do. They're Boeing Stearmans. Something else.
1 minute, Steve. Yeah, we've got about a minute and a half left.
I'm going to give you a whisper to now. Now, one of them is going to turn upside down, children, which we call mirror flying. Watch this. As they come in from your left then. Sorry. There you go, mirror flying. Like this, look. The lady is upside down, look. Gone right way up again. Well, it's Richard landing, still waving her arms up and down, look. And watch the second girl, she's back on the airplane, you see blooming look. And she's waving happily. She's got a slight slip of her, look. Well, that was a wonderful demonstration, wasn't it, people? Come on, put your hands together, that was great. Stevie and Richard and Sharon.